This is just a quick video to show you how I do my cat ornaments to fit the inserts in, just to show you which layer goes where. So this is the back of your chair, so that's the base. Then this guy goes right over top, and this is what allows you to have the insert for the cat to slide in. So you're going to glue that on. I always put glue on the whole back of that, put it on. Then when I'm gluing this top piece on, I just put glue here instead of all over the back, because you don't want the glue here where the insert's going to rub in, because it can interfere with your insert. So then this is going to go on the top, and then you'll see this little spot here is all cut out and ready to go to glue the present on. I do that separately so that you can just hand paint the present with acrylic paint pens. It's really tiny. Everything else I spray paint. And then these little pieces here, which are the spacers, this is just going to go right here. You're going to glue that on, and that allows you, when you put the blanket on, it allows for some space there, because when you're sliding the cat inserts into the finished chair, otherwise the blanket would be in the way for the base of the insert to go in. So that's going to go there. One other little tip: when you are gluing the blanket on, if you have a spare piece of wood or a little scrap, just lay it underneath the other side of the blanket and press it down. Otherwise, when you glue it, sometimes if your blanket is a little bit crooked and it's not on perfectly still, it can interfere with your insert going in. So I always just put a little space there. Don't put glue on it or anything. It's just there to rest the blanket on, just so you have a nice smooth entry for the inserts to go in.